Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this tutorial will explain how to send Solana from Bybit to Phantom wallet. So if you want to do that, you head to your Phantom. You now click on your Phantom wallet. So while we're waiting for the app to load, remember to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share if this tutorial is helpful to you. So now let's wait for the app to load. So now once the app load, you authenticate your security. And then the first token here is your Solana. You click on it and then you now proceed and you click on receive. Once you click on receive, since you want to copy the address and send Solana from Bybit, you click on copy. So now once you done copying that, you now proceed to your Bybit and then you now click on withdraw. Now once you click on withdraw, you see the list of all the tokens you have. You now click on Solana. So now you now paste the address you've copied from your Phantom. And then once you've pasted the address, the network, you come and you now select Solana. And then you now click on maximum. We are sending all of that to our Solana right away. So with that, you now proceed and you click on withdraw. So the only problem here is that the maximum Solana required, we don't have the maximum Solana required, but once you have it, so now once you click on withdraw, you'll be able to withdraw or to send your Solana from your Bybit to your Phantom wallet. So if this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and share.